Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to have a look at the latest features of panning and zooming in Midjourney version 5.2. In this video, we're going to share some tips on how to use the pan and zoom out feature in Midjourney. So before getting started, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for instant notifications. We have covered all the basics for Midjourney in our article, so please check the article. Link is provided in the description. First, open the Discord server and enter your prompt. Now you can see 4 images for your prompt. Choose one image for upscaling. Here I choose the 4th image. Now you can see the options below the selected image. I select the pan left option to create a castle on the left of the dragon. Enter castle and click submit. You can see variations in the images. Select one image for upscaling that you like. I think the first image looks like the best one for me, and there are 3 options for zooming. Let's choose zoom out. I like all the images, but I chose the 3rd one for upscaling. Let us add a C to this image. Select the pan right option and update the prompt to add C in the prompt box. Now click submit. After the images are generated, select one image for upscaling. Now let's see how the custom zoom option works. You can insert the object that you want to create a customized zoom out image. Let us add a ship to this image. Choose the best one for upscaling. Now let us add New York City on the left. So I choose the pan left option. Add New York City to the prompt and click submit. You can see the scaled image with New York City. When you scale image, the aspect ratio will change automatically. You can also change the aspect ratio as per our need. Select one image for upscaling. Amazing, right? Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope this video provides helpful information about how to use these amazing features in Midjourney. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.